Hi, it's Marina from Frameright. In this video, I will explain the core idea behind image display control. If you're interested in specific steps, I have more details tutorials linked in the description. Let's get started by first signing in. Then I will get an image, and this time I will choose 3 shapes from the default collections. I selected these particular shapes because they provide a good understanding of how extreme the dimensions can be without causing any problems. The suggestions come directly from Frameright AI. This makes the cropping process super fast, and I only have to make adjustments if needed. At this point, it's possible to export each individual crop as a separate hard crop file. They are all in a zip file located in the Downloads folder. Once you open the zip file, you can see how the files are named according to their size and destination. This is pretty cool already, but have you ever considered how much cooler it would be if you didn't have to deal with multiple files floating around and always end up going through archives searching for the original to make some minor changes? Or wouldn't it be nice to know your images won't restrict your design processes in case of a layout renewal, for example? Well, I have some good news. With IDC, things can work even more magically. Let's explore the fun part of Frameright by clicking on the Save button. After saving, the file will appear in the Downloads folder. Although it may not look like anything has changed, the file now contains display instructions within the embedded metadata. So it's something you can't see, but it has a lot of power. To see the effects of this, let's open our demo and upload the file. By clicking on the debug, the display instructions become visible. When the size of the container is changed, the image adapts to fit. Let's turn Frameright off and on again. And off and on. Can you see the difference? This demo showcased how IDC enables images to adapt in responsive environments. It's worth noting that IDC works with static image containers as well. With Frameright, you can communicate display instructions across different systems. There are so many different types of images and creators in the world, and all need their own workflow, and Frameright fits them all. Feel free to experiment with the demo, and if you want to bring the power of image display control to your own websites and platforms, take a look at our technical tutorials and documentation. I will include links in the description so you can find it easily. And please let us know in the comments how you would use this.